Here is our turn and tilt system with multiple locking point and concealed hinge. In this status, this window is closed. When we rotate the handle for 90 degrees, now is an open-in casement window. When we rotate the handle for 180 degrees, now it's a bottom-hung window. Now let me introduce you some accessories in this system. The first one is a misuse preventer. When the window is opening, we can't operate the handle anymore. And this is an overturn supporter. And this is the corner device. When the window is at bottom hung status, the lower hinge, an overturn supporter, and small connector rod hold the window together.